Hi everyone, this is Brendan on behalf of DT.live, and in this video we're going to be having a look at two different currency pairs, the first being the euro against the New Zealand dollar, and the second being the British pound against the US dollar. We'll start out by looking at the monthly time frame of the euro New Zealand dollar. August and September of 2015, price was rejected at the round number 1.8, and just recently this September and October, price had attempted to reach the round number 1.8 but was rejected once more, and since then we've had this strong bearish move to the downside where price is currently trading at 1.63849. Looking at the weekly time frame, we can see that price is trading just above the 200 moving average as well as this weekly Cat 10 support, and price is also trading below the 50 moving average at the same time though. So what I would like to see is for price to continue to the downside and break below this area here at the 200 moving average. Looking at the daily time frame, we can see that price is trading below the 200 moving average as well as the 50 and 20 moving average. Now since we have price trading below the 50 moving average on the weekly and daily time frame, we have a bearish trend in play on this currency pair. Now the reason this currency pair has stuck out to me is because of this strong bearish move to the downside followed by this fairly neat pullback, which has led to a breakout below this area of strong support. And although price has not broken below the weekly 200 moving average, I think that this is a pair that is worth keeping an eye on, assuming that price does continue to the downside. Next we'll have a look at the British pound against the US dollar, and looking at the monthly time frame, we can see that February of this year the dollar started to take strength over the pound, which led to this bearish momentum to the downside where price has broken below the round number 1.3 and is currently trading at 1.272. Looking at the weekly time frame, we can see that price is trading below the 200 moving average as well as the 50 moving average. We currently have a level of weekly Cat 10 support close by, with the next area of support not being until the round number 1.2. Looking at the daily time frame, we can see that price is trading below the 200 moving average on this time frame as well, giving us a bearish bias on this pair. Price is also trading below the 50 and 20 moving average on this pair, giving us a bearish trend as well. Now we did have a fairly good trend structure from April up until mid-August, but after that we fell into this period of consolidation where price has been stuck in an overall range, and for me to consider position on this pair, I would like to see a breakout below this pivot low right here around the area of 1.26, and also considering that this consolidation has lasted more than 60 days, I would be looking to take either the second breakout or look for a pullback position depending on how price is interacting with the 20 and 50 moving average. Thank you for watching.